So this is the apparatus for the chemical reaction. First of all, we have to take the pepper which have been discussed earlier and pour it to the plate of water. We can take 2 to 3 teaspoons of pepper. Now we have to take the earbuds which we have discussed in the materials and put that earbuds in the plate of pepper solution. And when we can see the dust particles in the cotton edge of the earbud. When we can see the dust particles over here. And in the next case, when we wipe the cotton edge of the earbud with the soap and when we put it in the pepper solution, we can see an amazing change happening in that plate. That means pepper particles have been arranged in a special manner.